So I got the walker from Homland, and in this video I'm going to try to get this thing assembled and then what it looks like when it is fully functioning. So what's nice about this is the frame comes fully assembled right out of the box. All you have to do is basically just put in the 4 wheels, get your handlebars on there, and you're good to go, and you don't need any tools to do this. And now to get the wheels on, it is very simple. So as you can see here, it's number 2. We got number 2 wheel here, and they're all the same. Number 1 is going to match up to number 1, 3 to 3, and 4 to 4. And how you get these on, very easy. We're just going to slide it in. And we're just going to match up these 2 holes here. Once we have that matched up, they're going to give you these pins here. And you don't need any screws or stuff like that to get these in. You're literally just going to slide them through. Once we slide it through, this is going to be what we screw on there, and they can just be screwed on by hand. And that's the exact same for our 4 wheels. So I'm not going to show everyone and waste your time, but literally just do the exact same process and get all of your wheels on. Okay, now for the handlebars, they're exact same as the wheels. The only thing is here you can adjust the height. So just find whatever slot's going to be best for you. You can go as short as you want or as tall as you want. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle, and all you need to do is just line up your hole there. And we'll take our bolt, and we'll just push it through, lock it into place, and now at this point we can just put our screw on, or whatever you call this, the cap here, spin it into place, and you're good to go, and it's locked in there. Whenever you want to change it, you can do the exact same thing. So that's simple. Now pretty much this whole thing is assembled. We just need to get the backrest on there. All right, and now for the backrest, I find that's the easiest of all of them. It's just pins you got to push into place. So we're just going to line it up here, get it down in there, get the side in there, and now just push our pins down. What I like about these pins is they're really easy to push in, so they're not going to hurt your fingers. Sometimes they're kind of hard to do it, or maybe hard on your fingers. Not these. They're super loose, easily can be popped into place. And just like that, this whole walker is assembled. So it took me maybe 5 minutes to do. It's very easy. Like I showed you, brakes going to be up front here. Just squeeze them to use it. I love the storage underneath. Got a nice little bag there. You can obviously sit on this as well, and it is pretty sturdy. So this walker was perfect, easy to get together. So if you or your loved ones, looking for a walker to get moving around a little bit easier, but don't want to break the bank, I think this is an awesome, affordable option that's going to work out great.